Mama's Kitchen, and today we are making super tasty wraps, and it has onion, Brussels sprouts, red pepper, eggs and cheese. Oh, bunny! Bunny! Let's eat tasty wraps!
For this recipe, begin by heating 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Once the oil is hot, go ahead and add half cup chopped onion and half cup chopped red peppers. We are going to stir them together, and then go ahead and add Brussels sprouts, 5 to 6, finely chopped. Mix them well together. We are going to stir fry them along with some salt. So 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon red chili flakes, and you can use any spices of your choice. I'm using marjoram and rosemary, half teaspoon each. Lends a great flavor when used along with Brussels sprouts. So spices are in. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Mix everything well together. Keep stirring them so that the veggies are soft, and then go ahead, once they are done, place them on a wrap. You can heat your wrap if you want. So on one side of the wrap, simply place your cooked vegetables, which are very well spiced, are very flavorful, and then add some grated mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella will help to hold the wrap together and also gives a nice cheesy taste to these wraps. Then fold them together, press a little bit. You can warm them on a skillet, on a pan, in a grill if you want a little bit, or in a microwave. Then just cut them into halves and serve. You can also have a dipping sauce on the side, or use any sauce that you might have on hand. So your easy, quick and tasty weekday dinner is ready. Give this recipe a try, and also please subscribe to Mama's Kitchen for more exciting and fun recipe videos. Thank you for watching. Have a very good day.